Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are on the topic mensuration. In the previous video, we considered a cylinder and we looked at some types of cylinders. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the total surface area, curved surface area, and volume of a cylinder. To do that, we need to note the following formulas. We learned in the previous video that a cylinder can have both ends closed. So if a cylinder has both ends closed, the total surface area of the cylinder is given by 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh, where r is the radius of the cylinder and h is the height of the cylinder. If the cylinder has one end closed and the other end open, the total surface area is given by pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. And if the cylinder has both ends open, then the total surface area is given by 2 pi rh. So you can see from here that the formula for finding the total surface area depends on the type of cylinder you are considering. The formula for finding the volume and the curved surface area does not depend on the type of cylinder. So the condition of the ends of the cylinder does not affect its volume and curved surface area. That means that the formula for finding the volume of all cylinders is pi r squared h. It does not depend whether one end is closed or one end is open. The volume is pi r squared h. And in the same way, the formula for finding the curved surface area is also 2 pi rh. It does not depend on whether one end is opened or one end is closed or both ends are open or closed. So these are the formulas that you'll be using. If you look at this very carefully, you can see that the formula for finding the total surface area of a hollow cylinder or a cylinder with both ends open is the same as the formula for finding the curved surface area of a cylinder. Let's use these formulas to solve some questions. The question we are considering is a cylindrical container closed at both ends has a radius of 7 centimeters and a height of 5 centimeters. And we are supposed to calculate the total surface area, curved surface area, and the volume of the cylinder, and we leave our answer in terms of pi. Okay, so we are talking about a closed cylinder, and the radius is 7 centimeters and the height is 5 centimeters. The total surface area of a closed cylinder is given by 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh, where r is the radius, in this case 7 centimeters, and h is the height, in this case 5 centimeters. It means that you have 2 times pi times 7 centimeters squared plus 2 times pi times 7 centimeters times 5 centimeters. We are supposed to leave our answer in pi. So you have 2 times 7 squared times pi, and that will give us 98 pi centimeters squared. When you come here to, you have 2 times 7 times 5, that will give us 70. So times pi, you have 70 pi centimeters squared. If we add 98 pi to 70 pi, you will get 168 pi centimeters squared. If you find this on your calculator, you will see that you have 168 pi centimeters squared. Since the question said we should leave our answer in pi, this is going to be our final answer. So the total surface area of the cylinder is 168 pi centimeters squared. The question also said that you should find the curved surface area, and we have just found out that the formula is 2 pi rh. So this will give us 2 times pi times 7 centimeters times 5 centimeters. We are leaving our answer in pi. So we have 2 times 7 times 5, which is 70, times pi. So you have 70 pi centimeters squared, since we have centimeters times centimeters. So the curved surface area of the cylinder is 70 pi centimeters squared. The question also said we should find the volume of the cylinder, and the formula is pi r squared h. So you have pi times 7 centimeters squared times 5 centimeters, and this will give us 7 squared times 5 times pi, and that will be 245 pi centimeters cube. Since this is the volume, the unit will be in a cube, so centimeters cube, meaning that you have centimeters squared here times centimeters, which will give us centimeters cube. So pi times 7 centimeters squared times 5 centimeters will give us 245 pi centimeters cube. We are leaving our answer in terms of pi. So the volume of the cylinder in terms of pi is 245 pi centimeters cube. So the most important thing here is that you identify the type of cylinder you are considering, then you look through the formulas and you pick the formula that will help you to solve the question. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to solve another question on finding the total surface area, the curved surface area, and volume of a cylinder. Bye bye.